In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add availability in Homebase. Homebase is a powerful tool for managing employee schedules and streamlining your workforce management tasks. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently set up availability within your Homebase account. To begin, you'll start by logging into your Homebase account. You'll land on the dashboard, where you'll see a plethora of options such as Quick Start Guide, Schedule, Timesheets, Payroll, Team, Productivity, HR Center, Benefits, Reports, Hiring, Settings, and Help. For the purpose of this tutorial, our main focus will be on the Schedule section, as this is where you will manage and configure your team's availability. Navigate over to the Schedule tab, which is typically present at the top or side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will direct you to the scheduling interface. Here, you can see the layout of your current schedule, showing which team members are scheduled and their respective shifts. But to tailor this to everyone's availability, you'll need to adjust the settings to reflect the times your team is actually available to work. Within the scheduling screen, look for a section dedicated to employee settings. This might be under a tab or a button labeled something like Availability or Manage Availability. Clicking on this will open a new window or panel where you can input specific availability details for your employees. Once in the availability settings, you can now specify the days and times each of your team members is available to work. It's a good idea to have these details collected beforehand, perhaps through a simple form or by communicating directly with your team to ensure you have accurate information. For each employee, you will generally need to select their name from a list or search for them directly using a search bar or filter feature. When you have the specific employee profile open, you'll enter their available working hours for each day. This helps in aligning their preferences with your scheduling needs, maximizing both efficiency and satisfaction. As you input this availability, make sure to confirm the format, whether it's a specific time slot or simply marking a day as unavailable. Double-check these entries before saving to avoid any confusion that might lead to scheduling conflicts later on. After you've finished setting up the availability for one employee, remember to save your changes. You can then proceed to the next employee and repeat the process until every relevant team member's availability is recorded. Ensuring these details are as accurate and comprehensive as possible will really pay off when it comes to seamless scheduling. Lastly, after you've updated all availabilities, take a moment to review the overall schedule. This will allow you to see how these updates fit into your weekly or monthly planning and ensure you have sufficient coverage for all shifts. By following these steps, you're set up to create a more effective and harmonized schedule for your business using Homebase. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on workforce management.